Assalamu alaikum. In today's video I'm gonna show you that how you can make a decent, good looking and a professional resume in Microsoft Word. As you can see on my screen the resume which we are going to make it from scratch in Microsoft Word. So let's start by inserting the rectangle shape and resize it to 7 by 30. Go to color and change its color to this color. Now we'll go to insert and add the picture. Click on wrap text and bring it to front. Adjust the size and crop it to round shape. Go to shapes, add a line here and change its color to white. Add a text box here. Remove outline and type contact. Increase font size to 18. Change its color to white and make it bold. Now let's add a phone icon here. Bring it to front by clicking on wrap text. Adjust size and change its color to white. Add a text here. Remove outline and enter the contact number. Select both the phone icon and text box. Hold Ctrl and drag it down to make another copy of this. Right click on phone icon. Go to change graphic and change icon to emails icon. Enter your email address here. Same as it is, we'll add location icon and enter address. Now let's add another heading which is skills. We'll copy above contact heading and replace it with skills. Copy above text box here and enter all of your skills. We'll add next heading which is languages. enter the languages. Now here let's enter name. We'll copy contact heading, change font color to black, replace it with the name and increase the size to 22. Copy name text box, decrease the size to 14 and type your designation. Make another copy of text box. Decrease the font size to 11 and type your professional summary. Go to insert again and add a line here. While expanding the line, make sure to hold the shift button, which will help you to keep the line straight. Copy text box and type your work experience. Now here you can add your professional experience by following this format. Now it's time to add the last heading, which is education. Once added, add another text box and type your educational details here by following this format. We are almost done here. The only last thing is to add line here. Once added, go to shapes and add this round shape here. Make sure it's placed in mid of line. Copy another 2 copies of this round shape and place them same as showed in this video. So here we are done. As you can see, it looks amazing. You can export it to PDF and start sharing. All the best. Hope you liked this video and it was helpful. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.